Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will install Ubuntu on Android. That is, we will be using Linux commands inside our Termux. Till now, we are using pure Termux, but now, after installing Ubuntu, you will get some more extra features inside Termux so that we can also use Linux commands, Linux packages just inside your mobile. So let's get started. First of all, we will be installing wget and proot to install Ubuntu in Termux. So first I will install proot and wget. Just see pkg install proot and give a space wget. Actually, the command, what it is doing is, first it is installing proot, and after installing proot, it installs wget. It is getting installed. Okay, it is installed now. Now, after you install wget and proot, you can install Ubuntu chroot using this command. mkdir, that is make directory. I'm giving some parameters here. I'm creating a new file, a new folder. It is created. Now do cd. We'll move into the directory cd jails ubuntu. Okay, now we are in ubuntu folder. Now we do wget https raw.github. This is the link from where we are getting we'll be downloading our ubuntu content.com. neo poly termux ubuntu master ubuntu.sh. Now press enter. It seems that it is downloaded. Now do bash ubuntu.sh. This runs the sh file. It seems that Ubuntu has downloaded. Now we'll run it. ubuntu.sh. At this time, if you get the same what I get here, permission denied, you have to type another command here, chmod, that this gives permission to that ubuntu.sh, plus x and the file ubuntu.sh. Now the permissions are given to that file. Now again type ubuntu.sh, and this time it runs successfully. After running, now what you have done is, you have after ubuntu chroot downloaded, that is chroot, you can run it by executing /start ubuntu.sh. If you are already inside your home directory, you can run it with the command bash jails Ubuntu and start ubuntu.sh. This is the command which we use to run our Ubuntu from anywhere, from any directory. You can use this, or you can also use this, start ubuntu.sh, because I am in the Ubuntu directory now. Press enter. So this is a common error for lot of students, the pre-root error. Now if you facing the same error here, please follow my steps. Try to run it with bash jails. That is the previous, I have shown you that one, that command. Ubuntu start ubuntu.sh. So if this also fails for you, even this also shows you a command like this, bash jails ubuntu start ubuntu. This is not shown, is not such file or directory. Now I'll be showing you how to download Ubuntu from other site. Do this only if this fails.